Can you see yourself?
Yeah. I'm gonna pull my tooth and I'm scared. What should I say, Mommy?
It is July 30th, 2015.
And I'm gonna pull out my tooth and I'm really scared.
What number tooth is this for you?
My third.
Your third?
Yeah.
Okay, let it rip.
Mommy, show yourself. Show yourself.
I will after.
You're pretty.
Slam the door.
Okay. But what if it doesn't fall out?
Just slam it hard.
Like this? Ouch.
Slam it.
Okay. I like the taste of it. So should I be this far or just this?
No, get as far as you can, go back and slam it. Slam it hard, or Mommy will.
No, I'm scared of you. Should I do it really quick and it'll be over?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2.
Slam it hard.
3, 2, 1. Here we go, guys. I'm scared. Ah! I'm bleeding.
Oh shit! Get her something. It's okay. Yeah, it's off.